Today, let's make a 5-minute cool and creamy snack, zucchini bites. I'll see you on the inside. Hey, Chef Alexia. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe and you will find the recipe below. All right, let's go make it. I used the peeler and I took slices out of a zucchini to have strips like these ones right here. So those are very flexible and they're very easy to stuff. I have this recipe in my cookbook. It's going to be on my website, oneweekchef.com. The recipe inside says goat cheese, but it's the pandemic and I always have feta in the house. Use your favorite cheese. It could even be cashew cream. This will be incredible with a zucchini. So just take your feta and crumble it up. And I have this fantastic olive oil. It is from Greece, very close to where I grew up. It's hand-picked every year. So that basically this olive oil runs out in the middle of the year because it's such a small quantity. It's called Ladi Viosas and you can find it at GreekBioStore.com. I'm gonna leave everything below so you guys could take a peek. I'm gonna use a little bit of that fruity olive oil, just drizzle a little bit. I'm gonna use just a little bit of lemon juice here. And I'm going to chop a little bit of mint. Just pick the leaves. So during the pandemic, I started basically making some herbs and this has been flourishing in my garden. We're just going to add it in and you guys know that I love feta and mint. Come on. If you knew, you might not know, now you know. So now we're gonna do the roll. So take your zucchini, and by the way, feta is very salty, so you don't have to put any salt, okay? Just lay your slices just like so. And now take your feta and just basically sprinkle some on top. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space right here and then start rolling. So for production, I'm going to put cheese on all of them and then roll them. Just make sure you leave a little bit of space towards the end because as you're rolling, it gets overstuffed and it pushes all the feta. This is a great alternative for cheese pie. It's low carb, but it has the same flavors. All right, now I'm gonna plate it. Let's finish it off with a little bit more Ladi Viosas. A little lemon juice. And of course, more mint. For more recipes like this, make sure that you hit the notification button, subscribe, and check out my website, oneweekchef.com, and the recipe will be down below.